Hi, I'm Kevin Pelly, CEO of Kohltech Windows and Entrance Systems. In 1982, Peter Kohler's vision began to take shape in Debert, Nova Scotia. Over the past 40 years, with the outstanding support of our family of employees, dealers, and loyal customers, Kohltech has become a leader in the window and door business across Canada and in the United States. Much of Kohltech's success is rooted in the relationships we have with our dealer partners. Our relationships are built on trust, the quality of our products, and our commitment to outstanding customer service. We've always been strong believers in the importance of maintaining strong relationships in business. Our products sell themselves, but our service is our greatest competitive advantage.
Our relationship with Kohltech has been very important to our success as a company. They've helped us to grow into some new areas of business that we weren't doing business with before.
They seem really to value the relationship they have with their dealer network, very much so, and the professionalism within the company is, I would say, second to none.
Kohltech provides us with constant communication, constant support, showroom support, trade show support. They want us to be successful with our customers, and we want them to be successful with us.
The integrity of Kohltech is second to none, so we know if there's a problem, service-wise, they definitely take care of it.
Our most important asset is our people. I think we've built more of a family than simply a team. We are using the same philosophy we developed in rural Nova Scotia to create a safe, respectful, and sustainable place to work across the country. We believe every Kohltech employee plays a critical role in building innovative quality products and delivering outstanding service to our customers.
Kohltech's one of the vendors that I would definitely say would be what we would call a partner with us. You feel like you're part of the family at Kohltech.
Our relationships with our dealers are at the forefront, so it's very important for us, when we're making decisions day to day as to what we're going to do is based on helping them grow their business. And that focus, helps us drive the support through them as well and make them successful in their community.
More than anything for us, what's important is customer service, speed on delivery, keeping us competitive. And they believe, like we believe, that no customer is too small and no customer is too big.
I would say it's been a great relationship, and we appreciate the communication and the availability that we've had to reach out to senior management and the production people for their attention to detail and producing a great product.
I've been doing windows and doors for about 30 years, and I can honestly tell you I've never found a better product than a Kohltech window. That product alone makes things so easy to sell.
Kohltech offers a sustained competitive advantage, in our opinion, because not only do they offer good value in terms of price, but they offer, the best warranty in the industry.
Year after year, we try to find ways to improve the process, improve the product, and resolve issues permanently so that they don't come back, and makes us all better.
Kohltech has really, over the years, they've continued to exceed our expectations. Not only in quality of products and innovation, they're really reactive to the market. What's trending today? Where do we need to be tomorrow? We get that information, that professional edge out of Kohltech that we haven't received from any of our other window suppliers.
The reason why we see the growth that we have is we have good product, good service, good people.
Well, working with Kohltech is almost like having a partnership that we have in business together, where we both have high qualities and expectations. Everyone is there to help the dealer.
Obviously, with the attention to detail, the quality of the product, there's a lot of pride in their work, so great job.
And congratulations to everyone.
Over the past 40 years, Kohltech has achieved outstanding growth, tremendous resilience while producing leading-edge innovation in our industry. And while this anniversary is an important benchmark, I'm even more excited about what's ahead for our company. Thank you for joining in our celebration. And I invite you to join Kohltech as we continue building windows on a better future.